All right, wish him luck. What's going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We got my buddy here, Cohen. We are going to teach him how to drive a stick in the Foxbody, a drift car. You ready for it?
Yep.
If you can't tell, I'm nervous. Okay, push your foot all the way down on the clutch. Yeah, all the way down to the floor. Yeah, you need to pull it forward.
Yeah.
Okay, what you need to do is, I don't know why I'm putting my seatbelt. There's a lever right here. You pull it to the left and then pull yourself up. There you go.
Alright, now it's to the floor.
Alright. Alright, so you know where first gear is. And you remember, you remember how I told you about the pedals. You put your foot all the way on the clutch, kind of pat the gas until you start feeling the clutch moving, then you can let it off.
Okay.
Alright. So, go ahead. Alright guys, it's time to place your bets. Is Cohen gonna stall? Comment down below. Let's find out. First gear. Oh, you stopped. You let off the clutch too fast.
Alright.
Alright, so now make sure it's in neutral. Alright, push your foot down on the clutch. Alright, put your foot on the brake and start it up. Alright, slowly let off the brake and slowly let off the clutch to make sure you're still in neutral. Alright, so you can push it back down on the clutch. That's just, you got to do that whenever you drive a manual just to make sure everything is good.
Okay.
Alright, put it in first gear. Alright, so slowly let off the clutch and slowly give it gas. Hold on, wait. Oh, alright, clutch down. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, the balance. All right. If you want to, we can turn off the camera and let you go ahead and do what you got to do. You want to do that? Okay, that's cool. So after a few moments of practicing, I think you got it now, right?
I think so.
All right, let's see what that footwork can do. Do you think he has what it takes to not stall? Comment down below.
You got me on camera, it's gonna be bad.
It's all good. It's all good. You was getting it. You was getting it though. There you go. Yeah, that was really good. Sometimes you gotta drive under pressure as well, so
Yeah.
you gotta always be on your toes when you're driving a manual.
Do it again?
Yeah, we can do it again. Look at that. Just 10 minutes of driving can do wonders. Was it 10 minutes? 15?
Yeah, 15 maybe.
15?
Maybe 20.
Maybe 20. Just keeps adding up.
Keeps adding up.
But hey, look.
For an hour.
Yeah. But I mean, look. Now you know how to drive, or not learn.
Getting there.
You're getting there. You know how to get out of first gear, which is the hardest thing about driving a stick. In a drift car that's put together with no e-brake. But it's all right. You're doing pretty good.
First. All right.
That was all right. I'll tell you what, you turning these corners. No, you good. You don't have to apologize about anything. You ain't doing anything I haven't done.
I drive that truck like it's a race car, so.
Yeah, it's Ford, so it's fine. Look at that, already shifting to second gear. Like he been driving for years. So he's gonna take you around.
Oh my God. You got the hang of it?
Yeah, he's doing good.
You like it? He gonna want one now.
Oh yeah, he already talking about it.
Already been talking about it. Let's see if you're gonna be able to take off. Put your seatbelt.
Oh, that wasn't bad at all. That was good. Look at that. You know, I just realized if they really wanted to, they can easily just take my car, him and his dad, and I couldn't do anything about it. Good thing they're good people. I know this was a random video, but I actually like teaching people how to drive stick, or teaching people how to do stuff that most people don't know how to do, because nobody really taught me how to do the stuff that I do. So I enjoy teaching other people the stuff that I know. I'm not a teacher, but if I can help somebody out, that's what I'm doing. Look at him. He's so happy. Hey, you see that? The Hellcat. Hey, he had to take his boots off and everything. But you happy now?
Yeah.
Give me a high five.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. No problem. Oh, I gotta go get my block. My emergency e-brake block. Yeah.
If somebody was asking, why's that block there? I was like, no, we're wrong.
They don't understand.
No.
Oh. And just like that, I'm back in the Foxbody. He's excited. He's happy. I told him if he gets a manual, I'm gonna have to drive it. But yeah, I know he's excited, and that's all that matters. He learned how to drive a manual, and he's thinking about getting the manual. So one step closer to saving the manuals is how I look at it. Let me go ahead and get back to the house so I can focus on driving. So let me go ahead and get to the house and be safe. And just like that, we're back at home. I know Cohen is very excited, and I know he cannot wait to get his manual Mustang, Honda. I don't know. I will say Hondas are really easy to drive, so if he decides to get a Honda, I will understand. I truly think everybody should learn how to at least drive a manual. Once you know how to drive a manual, there's bikes, 18-wheelers, 4-wheelers, so it's like the possibilities are endless with if you know how to drive a manual. Oh yeah, guys, do y'all like this setup? I got a new computer monitor. Right now I'm showing Mustangs at Daytona. If you want to go ahead and check out this video, go ahead and click on the video right here. I'll see you in the next one, all right? Thank you for watching.